Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Info. So here in this video, I'm gonna explain a very easy and simple steps to make homemade hand sanitizer. It is very straightforward method because you won't face any problem in this in making a hand sanitizer at home by using this method. So to begin with, we must have a rubbing alcohol, which can be either a isopropyl alcohol or ethanol. Usually, I would prefer to have surgical spirit with 99% alcohol. However, we must dilute this 99% of alcohol to a 75% alcohol because the 75% alcohol is more than enough to kill the microorganisms. So you might be having the question how to convert or dilute a 99% of alcohol to a 75% of alcohol. Here you can see to make or dilute a 99% to 75% of alcohol, you take 76 to 78 ml of surgical spirit, and to that you can add 24 or 22 ml of distilled water or drinking water. Then you might also be thinking how to measure this quantity. Here you can see this image, the syrup caps. We all are having these syrup caps at home, and using these syrup caps you can measure and make. Once you are ready with the 75% of alcohol, then take around 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel can be either from natural plants or you can also choose the branded one. So it is up to you which one you want to prefer. You can proceed with that. If you are using branded one, then you need not to add anything else to the alcohol. You not add anything else. If you are preferring to use the extracted aloe vera gel from the plants, then you need to add essential oil, which can be either almond oil or anything, to the mixture. So once you are ready with all the recipe, you take a 75% of alcohol in mug, add aloe vera gel, then few drops of essential oil. These drops around 5 to 10 drops per 100 ml of sanitizer. And once you add them, you mix them thoroughly about 15 to 20 minutes using the spoon. So now your sanitizer is ready and you can transfer it nicely to a empty bottle. So made some sanitizer, you need to take some important precaution. The first one is do not use expired materials. Then the second important precaution is test your own sanitizer before you recommend others to use. If you feel the burning or itching of your hands after using the sanitizer, it is better to avoid using of this kind of hand sanitizer. Keep away the hand sanitizer from pets and children because they may be attracted by the pleasant smell or attracted bottles, and if they swallowed it, it is very poisonous. So friends, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope this video is helpful for some of the audience, and if you feel the content is good, please do share and subscribe my channel, which encourages me to upload some more informative and useful videos in coming future. Thank you again. See you in my next video.